Welcome to Mr. Heaton's Math Lab, and in this video we're going to learn about adding three-digit numbers together. So let's start with single-digit numbers. We're going to start with this example on the left. We're going to start by adding 3 plus 3. So we could add these single-digit numbers by using our fingers. We can count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We could add by counting sticks. We can go 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3, or we could memorize it. So since I don't have the ability to show you my fingers, what I can do is just add these sticks together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you know that this answer is 6. Okay, let's try that with this middle one. We have 2 plus 3. So we can go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's try this last one. We have 4 plus 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we know that this answer is 11. Okay, now let's try some two-digit numbers added with a single-digit number. So we'll start with our example here on the left. We have 38 plus 8. So again, when you are adding a two-digit number, you're going to look at the very right side. So we're going to add this 8 and 8. We can separate these out so that we only look at the first digit of both these numbers. So we're going to add 8 plus 8. And if we do that, we can count sticks. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we add those all up, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so now we do know that we have a 6 and a 1. Now what we do is instead of putting the 1 here, we're going to do something called carrying the 1 over. So we put the 1 at the top on the next digit over. So now we have a 1 plus a 3, which is going to be 4. So our answer is going to be 46. Okay, let's try this middle. So again, we can separate the digits out. So we have two left digits. We have a 9 and a 3, and then we have a 2 on the left side of that. So what we will do is we're going to add the 9 plus the 3 together. And if we count the sticks, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 1, 2, 3. If we add that up, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we have a two-digit number. We have 12. So we put the 2, which is the first digit, and then we carry over the 1 on the top on the left side. So now we have a 1 plus a 2, which would be 3. So our answer is 32. Okay, now let's try adding 66 plus 6. So again, we will separate this out. We have a 6 and a 6. If we add those together, we should get 12. So let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We add that up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so again, we put a 2 here. Since this is 12, we're going to carry up the 1. So we have a 1 plus a 6. That is 72. So 66 plus 6 is 72. Let's try adding two two-digit numbers now. So we'll start with this example on the left. We're going to add 54 plus 14. Now it's going to follow the same principle as before. We could put a line between the two digits, and we're going to add the digits on the right first. So we'll add 4 plus 4. And if we do the math, we should come up with 8. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we don't have a digit more than 10, right? We don't have a 1, so we don't need to put anything up above. Since it's a single digit of 8, we leave this here, and we can go ahead and go to the next step of adding these two numbers together. So we have a 5 plus a 1. So if you do the math, that should be 6. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We add a 1. That should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 54 plus 14 is 68. Okay, let's try the middle example. We'll do the same thing. We're going to put a line down the middle. Now we don't have to go all the way down. We could just go right here to the equals line. We'll add the two digits on the right first. So I'll let you guys do the math. We have a 2 plus a 3, and that math should equal 5. Now let's try the one on the left here. Okay, so we have a 4 plus a 1, and if you do the math, that's 5. So we have 42 plus 13 will equal to 55. Now let's try this one on the right here. Again, we are going to separate out the two digits. So we're going to add the digits on the right first. 9 plus an 8. Now if we do the math, we should come up with 17. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so this time we have 17. We're going to add the 7 and put the 7 here. Now that 1, we can't put the 1 here. We actually have to take that 1. We're going to bring it up and over here. So we're going to carry the 1. So now we have a 1 plus 2 plus 1. So we have a 1 plus 2 plus 1. If we add that up, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 29 plus 18 equals 47. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, let's try adding 3-digit numbers together. It follows the same principle. What we're going to do is instead of just having one line to separate it out, we're going to have 2 lines. So now we're going to add each column separately. So we'll start again. Always start on the column on the right. So we have a 6 plus a 2. If you do the math, that'll come out to 8. Next, we're going to move on to the middle two numbers. So we have a 1 plus a 1. That's going to equal 2. Now we can move on to the values here on the left. So we have a 3 plus a 2, and that equals 5. So 316 plus 212, that's going to equal 528. Let's try this middle one. So again, we're always going to separate out the digits. So we separate out the right digits between the tens and the hundreds place. We're going to add the ones on the right very first. We'll add the 1 digits first. 6 plus 3 is going to be 9. We'll go move on to the middle. 5 plus 1 is 6. Moving on to the left, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So the answer is 769. Okay, now both of these examples, every time we add, it just comes out to a single digit. So what is going to happen, say if this comes out to 11? Well, we're going to follow the same principle. We'll always take that number and we'll bring it up to the top if we have something extra. So let's take a look at this next example. So again, we separate out each single digit. We add the digits on the right first. We add the tens place. 6 plus 6 is 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12. Now remember, we only take the first digit and we'll put that here. Anything that's bigger than 9, say we get to 10, 11, 12, say we get to 99, whatever that second digit is, we take it and we bring it up and we move it to the next available row or column. So now we have a 1. We'll put the 1 here. 1 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. plus a 1, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is 10. So again, we take that first digit, we put it in the corresponding column. That 1 that we have, we're going to carry that over to the next column, which is our last column. So now we have a 1 here. So we have a 1 plus 8 plus 1. So a 1 plus 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got another 10. Well, what do we do at this again? It's the same principle. We take the 0, which is in the tens place, we put that here. Anything extra, we're going to bring it over, but in this case, there's nothing here. Well, it still follows the same rules. We bring it over here, so now we have a 1. And this, we can just pretend that it's blank, or maybe there's a 0 here. So 1 plus 0 plus 0, right? Anything 1 and nothing else, that's just going to be a 1. So the answer is 1002. Let's try some more 3-digit numbers. Okay, looking on this example on the left, we're going to have our separators. So we'll look at the column on the right. 7 plus 9 is 16. So we have the 16. Again, we put the 6 here. We take that 1 and we're going to bring it and carry it over to the next column. Okay, so we have a 1 plus a 5 plus a 4, and that is going to be 10. Let's double check. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have a 10 here. We take that first digit, we'll put it here. We'll take that 1 and we're going to carry it over to the next column. So now we have a 1 plus a 3 plus a 1, and that will be 5. We'll double check. So that's 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 357 plus 149 is 506. Okay, let's try this next example. So again, we will separate out the digits, and we have a 9 plus a 1 on the right. If we add that up, it's 10. So we have the 0 here, and we bring the 1 up here. Again, if we have a 10, 9 plus 1, we always put the first digit here, and that second digit is going to go to the next corresponding column. We're going to carry it over to the next column. So we have a 1 plus 8 plus 1. If we do the math, that's 10. So we have to put the 0 here, and the 1 goes here. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 1, and that's 4. So 289 plus 111 equals 400. Okay, let's try this next one. Again, we are going to put separators here. Now you don't have to put separators, but we can do it to make it easier. And we have a 9 plus a 1, that's 10. So we put the 0 here, and we carry the 1 over. Now we have a 1 plus a 9 plus a 1, that's 11. So we have the 1 here, and the 11th place, the 10th place on that is going to go up here. So we have 1 plus 7 plus 2, and again, that's 10. So we put the 0 here, we put a 1 right here, but there's no numbers here, so that 1, it just goes all the way down to the bottom here. So now we have the number 1010, and that is our answer. Now let's cover a couple special cases. So the first one is going to be is if we have a 0. Well, a 0 plus a 0 will always be 0, right? Nothing plus nothing equals nothing. So 0. Same here, we'll have a 0. And then what we can do is just look at these two numbers here. So the 6 plus the 1 will be 7. Okay, now what happens if you have the 0 plus a 5? Well, again, the 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 plus 5 is 0, nothing, plus 5. So you just put the 5 down here. And then we have a 5, and we have nothing here. So we can just take this number, drop it down. So the answer is 550. Okay, the last case is what happens if you have something like 999 plus 1. Well, 9 plus 1 is going to be 10. So we have the 0 drop down. We carry over the 1. So now we have 1 plus 9 plus nothing. Well, 1 plus 9 is 0 and 10. So we bring the 1 over. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So we have another 10. We have the 1 up here, and we can just bring it down. Okay, so the answer is 1,000.